Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Exply World YouTube channel. Today, I've got a cracking story for you. It's about Bishop, a 25-year-old lad from Manchester, just like many of you in your 20s, chasing dreams in this mad world. But Bishop's journey? It's a proper roller coaster. He nearly cocked it all up by making 5 massive mistakes. Through his tale, we'll see how dodging these pitfalls can lead to real success. Grab a brew, settle in, this is Bishop's wake-up call. Right then, come with me, let's get stuck into Bishop's story. Picture this, Bishop's fresh out of uni, living in a cramped flat in Manchester's northern quarter. He's got big dreams, wants to start his own graphic design business. But instead, he's wasting time like it's going out of fashion. Mornings turn into afternoons scrolling through TikTok and Instagram, binge-watching series till the wee hours. Just one more episode, he'd tell himself. Before he knows it, weeks have slipped by, and his portfolio? Still gathering digital dust. One rainy Tuesday, Bishop glances at his calendar. He's missed 3 deadlines for freelance gigs. His mates are landing jobs, but he's stuck in neutral. That hit him hard. Wasting time aimlessly, that's mistake number 1. In your 20s, time's your biggest asset. Bishop realized he needed to treat it like gold. He started setting timers, blocking apps, and carving out hours for skill building. No more endless scrolling, instead, focused hustling. If you're doing the same, lads and lasses, snap out of it, your future self will thank you. Now, Bishop's scrolling isn't just mindless, it's poisonous. He's constantly comparing himself to others. His old schoolmate posts about a flash new job in London. Another flaunts holidays in Bali. Why not me? Bishop thinks, feeling like a right failure. Social media's a highlight reel, innit? But he falls for it, hook, line, and sinker. One evening, at the local pub, the one with the sticky floors and cheap pints, his mate Sarah pulls him aside. Bishop, you're brilliant at designs, she says. Stop measuring yourself against filtered lives. That chat was a game changer. Mistake number 2, comparing yourself to others. It kills your confidence and steals your joy. Bishop unfollowed the show-offs, focused on his own path. He started a journal, tracking his wins, no matter how small. Remember, your journey's unique, own it, don't clone it. With his head back in the game, Bishop dives into work. But he's burning the candle at both ends, skipping meals, surviving on takeaways and energy drinks. Gym? What's that? Sleep? Optional. His health's taking a battering, and he doesn't even notice. Then, disaster strikes. During a big pitch for a client, Bishop feels dizzy, his heart racing. He collapses right there in the cafe. Trip to A&E, doctor's verdict? Exhaustion, poor diet, no exercise. You're young, but neglect this now, and it'll haunt you later, the doc warns. Mistake number 3, neglecting your health. Bishop learned the hard way, physical and mental well-being's the foundation of success. He started meal prepping proper Mancunian grub, like hearty stews, and hit the gym thrice a week. Meditation apps became his new binge. Lads, if you're skimping on self-care, sort it out. A healthy body fuels a sharp mind. Feeling fitter, Bishop's designs start getting noticed. But money? That's a whole other mess. He's splashing out on gadgets he doesn't need, new trainers, fancy coffee machines, ignoring bills and savings. Credit card debt creeps up like fog over the Irwell. 1 month, his rent check bounces. Panic sets in as he scrambles for cash. His nan, wise as ever, sits him down over tea and biscuits. Bishop, love, financial responsibility isn't boring, it's freedom. Mistake number 4, ignoring financial duties. Bishop got savvy, budgeted with apps, set up an emergency fund, and even invested a bit in stocks. No more impulse buys. Hello, financial independence. If you're in your 20s, start now. Compound interest is your mate, not your enemy. Armed with better habits, Bishop spots a chance, a design competition in London. But fear grips him. What if I fail? What if they laugh? He nearly backs out, playing it safe like always. But then, inspiration hits during a walk in Heaton Park. He remembers his dad's words, regrets worse than failure. Mistake number 5, avoiding risks. Bishop enters the comp, pours his heart in. He doesn't win first prize, but gets noticed by a big agency. That risk. It opens doors he never imagined. In your 20s, calculated risks are how you grow. Fail, learn and level up. Bishop's mantra now, step out of your comfort zone, that's where the magic happens. Fast forward a year. Bishop's running his own design firm from a cozy studio in Ancoats. He's fit, financially sound, and surrounded by real mates. No more wasted days or envy. He's taken risks, cared for himself, and built something solid. His story? It's proof that dodging these 5 mistakes can turn your 20s into a launchpad for success. So, what's your Bishop moment? Share in the comments. Have you made these slip-ups? Hit like if this resonated, subscribe for more real-life tales, and ring the bell. Remember, it's never too late to pivot. Cheers for watching. If you want tips on avoiding these pitfalls, check the description for resources. Stay legendary, Manchester and beyond. See you next time.